Happy birthday, Ryan, you make me smile without trying. I hope today is really awesome. Maybe later you, me, Fletch and Sherry could go and have a 4-hour game of Tekken. Celebrate your birthday, come on! With cake and booze and friends and stuff. It's gonna be such a super sweet day, man. I might even get to see your muff. Happy birthday, Ryan, I'm glad you're clever than the minds, 'cause otherwise the world would have ended last December. And we never would have got to see your 21st, and that would have been the worst. You like it when I rap, so I'm gonna rap for you. I hope that it ain't crap, so I don't have to recap the details, but it's heads or tells us how to, well, it will go. You are really fucking awesome. Is this the best way I can show you? Even my mum thinks you're great. You tolerate my silliness more than most. You got a tight ass and a great face to boast. You don't coast, you make your way and you'll continue to do so. Even though I think you're a pussy that purrs. I wish to wish you a happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, Ryan. I hope today you're especially smiling and you have a super sweet day. Happy birthday, Ryan, you make me smile without trying, and I